Now that handle pulls off. You could put whatever color you want on here. It's just a carbon fiber tube that slides over the original. So it's on there with O-rings, so it's pretty easy to slide on and off. Actually, it's not easy to slide on and off, but you could slide it off and change colors if you want. See the condensation? And it went from 68 degrees to humidity so thick you can cut it with a knife. Alright, so that's not the Donnie FL Emperor that you remember. I've got all new guts inside. Looks like all kinds of plumbing in there. But it's pretty solid, so let's see if it makes a difference. Not sure how much we got air-wise, but this is just 170, and that hit right where I was aiming. Whew. 993, and that went right through that thing like butter. I don't know. We'll go to the tape and see. 993, 200 grain. Yep. Look at that. Bullet hole on hole right there, baby. 1, 2. Right out the hole. Damn, that thing is on the money. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Pretty loud.
All right, 200 grain. Performing great.
Good.
That is excellent. Three, two, one. I might need new batteries. I'm gonna do one more for Kurt. What's this say? Battery? Can I get one more reading? One more reading, Cujo. 3, 2. No reading. First two shots were right on top of each other. You can see both of them because that's what a hole looks like. It's just perfectly round. You see the two round spots? Damn near hole on hole. More than 50%. Oh, I did it again. Right there from 50 yards, 45 yards. Look at that. Right on top of each other. Nice. That was awesome. I don't know, man. It's freaking right on the money.